Within the legacy therapy appointment system, you'd set up an annual calendar like this. If you had to add an additional time outside of those ranges, you'd do so like this. In Therapy Appointment 2.0, you can put appointments anywhere on the calendar, but it is handy to set up defined appointment slots, especially since clients can't schedule unless there are such definitions of available times. So let's do this. We click Calendar Settings, then Availability Calendar, and we say that we want clients to be able to schedule online. We're going to do this for the main office first, because we have two offices in this particular practice. We want to turn off Fridays because those appointment slots are in the secondary office. We'll have the standard appointment links, and we'll set that up. This looks good. The times for my primary office seem to be set appropriately now. Now let's add the availability slots for the secondary office. Once again, we want clients to be able to schedule online for this secondary office within the same range of times. We'll turn off everything but Fridays now, since Fridays are the days that we want to schedule for the secondary office. The standard times apply, and as you can see, we now have secondary office slots available. So now I've set up my usual office hours, and here's how it looks on the schedule, with my main office hours depicted in blue and my secondary office hours in green. But I'm not limited within the office to those hours. If I want to set an appointment outside of those hours for an emergency, I can do so as usual. Clients can't do this online, however. They're limited to these hours. Notice I haven't left room for lunch on my schedule, so let's do that now. I'm going to set up a recurring meeting called lunch in order to block off those hours. I'm going to click More Options because I want this to be a repeating meeting. In fact, I want to repeat it every day there at noon. I'll set this meeting to continue for a long time in the future so that I'll always have my lunchtime free. And there you have it. The lunch times have been blocked off. So let's make sure I've got my hours set for online scheduling by clients appropriately. By turning off the appointments layer, I can double check. And sure enough, those are the hours I want to make available for online scheduling. Let's make sure I have the client portal set up properly. I click My Profile, Client Portal Settings, and I see that no, I haven't enabled the portal, so I'll do that now. I'm going to click Yes, and for purposes of illustration, I'll just leave those defaults as they are. I'll click Done at the bottom, and now I have one final step within practice settings, because I want to make sure that the CPT codes that clients are likely to want to schedule online have been enabled for online, and they haven't, as you can see right there. So let's set that up. I'm going to set individual psychotherapy and family therapy so that clients can schedule those two CPT codes online. I'll save that, and we're good to go.